3, 2, 1.
And this is the 99-cent haul. The rolled bandages, you get 4 yards, which is nice. So I got one for each of the medical bags. Wound dressings, they're non-sticky gauze pads. You get 4 of them. They're 2.5 by 4 inch. I got the 2 for each bag. I got this for the purse. I got different size matches. I'm going to teach the boys how to weatherize them. 2 3-pair kits. Alcohol prep wipes. If you go to the dollar store instead of the 99-cent store, get the ones at the 99. You get 100 instead of the 50 for $1. I didn't know because I went to 99 first. Stretchy rolled gauze. Again, this is 4 yards for $1. There you go. Again, 2 for each bag. This was $2. They're hand wipes with aloe for sensitive skin. And then I bought elbow support because the last time I didn't buy elbow supports. These are only $1. It's a really good deal. I got another ankle one because of the last time I only bought one ankle. They also have a wrist one, but it only does like from here, just right below the thumb, to here. It's not very good. It's not something that would work for me, but it might for you if that's what you need for support. It's also just a good idea to have, but again, it wouldn't do me any good. So I spent almost $30, and that's not bad. That's a lot of stuff. So just a quick video on what I got from Dollar Tree. I gave in and got rubbing alcohol. I don't like paying $1 for that size. It's a ripoff, but we needed some. We only have like 1 jar left. I got 2 rain ponchos for the younger kids, 3 adult ponchos, because I already have one for myself, but I needed one for the rest of the family. Spray for the 2 medical bags, wipes, 1 for the car, 1 for the diaper bag. This I'm going to make chicken fodder with chia seeds. This is for band-aids and things like that to go into the medical bag. And then I gave in and got the little rake. That's from the Dollar Tree. This is about $20. Not bad. And this is a 2-pack. And they have this seal. Here, I'll show you. See, they have the little seal, so they're airtight. Very nice. And they lock easy. Super easy, clear, perfect size.